Welcome to the ArborSafe tutorial on how to enter tree work completed by your contractors. In this video we will show you how to find the tree worked on, how to add any completed work actions not listed, and how to enter and update the details. Once you have logged into your site, click on the Tree List tab to the left of your screen and a list of all your trees will appear. Firstly, select the tree or trees you wish to update by either finding them on the list or entering the numbers in the search field on the top of the screen and clicking search. Once the tree appears in your tree tab list, click on it and two tabs will appear. Click on Show Assessment. You can also view the tree's assessment data by simply double-clicking on the tree icon on your sitemap, like so. The Tree Data pop-up window will appear. Scroll down to the Arborist Actions. You'll see them here. And check if the works your contractor completed are listed. These are the remedial actions recommended by ArborSafe's consulting arborist at the last assessment. If the actions are listed, you can create a work order, which we will explain shortly. If the specific actions you have had completed are not listed, click on the General Actions and Works, and a list of actions will appear. Scroll through and click on the actions relevant to the work your contractors have done. For example, you may choose crown raise and remove selected branches. Click on the main area, and the actions will now appear in the data line next to the General Actions and Works. Note that if you can't find a relevant action, there is a choice called Other Action. Here, you can tick this and then make a note of the works that this relates to in the General Comments field below. Once your completed actions are showing as listed, click on Create Work Order at the bottom left. A window will appear showing the tree ID, the site name, the species, the risk. Below this are checkboxes for the arborist works and general works. Click in the boxes for the actions that have been completed as shown here. Leave the works that have not been completed blank. Select a date that the works were completed on by clicking the little calendar and entering the date. Next, type the name of the supplier. Below is a field to enter the cost of the works on that specific tree only. Note that if your supplier only gives you a one-off cost for all works completed, you can divide the cost across the number of trees worked on and enter that amount here. The supplier's quote number field relates to the contractor's invoice quote or job number. Check that your entries are correct and click Save. The actions that have been completed will now be removed from the list. And the entry will appear in the Work Order History field. This entry will also appear on the History of Completed Works report. Please note that if all the arborist actions have not been completed, the estimated cost and the risk rating may not change. Also, the tree may remain a high risk even if all the work actions have been completed because of its defects, its health, age, or location. To exit, click Finish. You can close this down and show all to get all our trees back on site and click Fit. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in our tutorials, please contact ArborSafe on the phone number or email found on this screen.